Namaste Gurukulians. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. So in our previous lecture, we have studied the different type of hormones in a human beings. We have studied about first we have studied the pituitary glands, which is present in our brain. The second one, that is a thyroid gland, which is present in our neck, which release the thyroxine. Next one, which we have studied about the adrenal gland, which release the adrenaline hormones, okay, which help us to control our nervous system, our fear, our fight, how to take decision, all these things that is controlled by the adrenal gland, and it is present on the top of the kidney. Next we have studied about the pancreas, which release the insulin and that control the sugar level inside our body. And the two glands, that is testes and ovaries, which is the reproductive gland present in the human being and which can be differentiates the male and female from each other. So today we will start with the puberty, adolescence and the puberty. The next topic is adolescence we have done. Okay. The next topic is puberty. Today we will discuss about the puberty. What is this puberty? Actually, it is a stage, or you can say it is a time of a growth of a person. It is at that time, it is at the time of the adolescent. Teenager की age में ही puberty is at that time at which a person that is mature, reproductively, that can be mature, or you can say become a sexually mature. So that is, and that attain a reproductive maturity, that stage is called the puberty stage. So how can we define this? We can be say, so it is a time of growth. It is the time of growth of a person, when he or she, when it is a time of a growth of a person when they become sexually mature. The sexually maturities they gain in their body. Now what does it mean? You can say in science, the biologically the male that become a father and female they become a mother. So that stage is called the puberty stage. At this stage, what happens? There are a number of physical changes in our body. Not even a physical changes. There is, we can be also, there is attain a changes mentally, okay, emotionally. So there are different changes mentally, emotionally, our thinking, our decision power, that is also be changed. So that is at the time of the puberty. After that we will study what are the changes which is come at the stage of the puberty. So we will discuss now the changes that come at the stage of the puberty. The very first changes at puberty. The very first change is the increase in height. The first change is increase in height. What happens? You will see, we have discussed in our previous lecture, whenever you are 5th or 6th class and now you are in 8th class, you are in the teenager age, your teenager age is started. So what is the changes you feel? You changes, that is increase in height. At that time, what does it mean? There is a growth of our bones, हमारी arms की bones and legs की bones, that is increases in length. Whenever they increases in length, automatically there is a increase in a height. हाँ, in girls what happen? It is increased fastly as compared to the boys. Girls में height जो है boys के comparison में at the first time starting में it is little fastest in girls as compared to the boys. Boys के comparison में height girls की increase होती है. And after that you can say at the age of the 16-17 the girls they can be you can say the girls they attain their 100% height, and the boys they are attain approximately at the age of the 18 they are getting their 100% height. तो उनकी 100% हाइट जो होती है वो 18 एज जो है वो है. बट इन द स्टार्टिंग स्टेज गर्ल्स स्टार्टिंग में जो है उनकी हाइट फास्टली इंक्रीज होती है, लिटिल बिट दैट इज फास्टली इंक्रीज एज कंपेयर टू द बॉयज. यू हैव सीन व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ 6 to 8 क्लास, गर्ल्स जो होती है उनकी हाइट बढ़ जाती है, बॉयज की हाइट बढ़ती नहीं है. ठीक है. एंड व्हेनेवर दे आर इन द अप टू 10th क्लास 9, 10th, 11, 12 अचानक से बॉयज की हाइट जो है वो इंक्रीज कर जाती है. हाँ, बाद में जो बॉयज होती है उनकी हाइट इंक्रीज कर जाती है. सो एट द लास्ट मींस कि टीनेजर की लास्ट वाली स्टेज पे बॉयज दे अटेन देयर हाइट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज चेंज इन द बॉडी शेप. द सेकेंड change in body shape. What does it mean? बॉडी शेप जो होती है वो चेंज हो जाती है. इफ यू सी इन द बॉयज द शोल्डर्स ऑफ द बॉयज दैट ब्रॉडर, जो शोल्डर्स होते हैं बॉयज के दैट बिकम ब्रॉडर, वो ब्रॉड हो जाते हैं. एंड इन गर्ल्स फ्रॉम द हिप्स द साइज ऑफ द pelvic region इज इंक्रीजेस. अब ऐसा तो है नहीं कि हाइट ही इंक्रीजेस, देयर इज आल्सो सम इंक्रीज इन द बेल्ट. तो थोड़ा सा गर्ल्स दे बिकम अ फैटी, वो थोड़ी सी विड्थ जो होती है फ्रॉम द pelvic region इट इज इंक्रीजेस इन द गर्ल्स. And in the boys, it is increases from the shoulders, and also there is an increase of the muscles. जो boys की muscle strength के through they can be show their strength. Okay, so the muscle is increases. The next one is that is a changes very common change which is found, that is a change in boys. You have noticed that one. Whenever you are at the age of the 11 or 12, the voice box जो होता है और the आवाज that is like a childhood, okay, but now it become deeper. Voice में क्या हो जाती है? That become a deeper, and the larynx, the voice box को हम साइंस में क्या बोलते हैं? larynx. That become enlarged. वो क्या हो जाता है बेटा? That become a enlarged, वो बड़ा हो जाता है. You will notice that one from the hair, neck, यहाँ से ये there is a, it is also be called the Adam's apple. So it is increase in size in boys, and the voice that become deeper and low pitch is there. Okay, there is a cracking of the voice is there. On the other hand, if we are talking in the girls, okay, there is pitches, वो क्या होती है? वो ज्यादा deep नहीं होती. Okay, that is a less deep, voice is less deep and pitch is very high. Pitch जो होती है girls की that is high as compared to the boys. So the third change is that is change in the boys. Next one is there is a development of the body here. Of body here. Now the next change at the puberty stage, there is a growth of a hair in the body. हमारी arms में, legs में, and the first there is a in underarms, armpit, there is a growth of the hair is there. In the pelvic region of the girls, okay, that is also be increases. The hair growth is also increases. You can see there is a hair growth is also be found on the face of the boys. मुस्टाच, थोड़ी थोड़ी मूछें आने शुरू हो जाती हैं. The beard is there, हल्की हल्की beard आने शुरू हो जाती है. Okay, so that is the changes at the puberty. It is a common one. Okay, ये common होता है. At this age everyone have to be go through. सब में ये physical changes जो है वो आती है. It is not कि someone is different, but some people they are, or the some children they are thinking about that is some changes. जब changes होती है they cannot be accept. Okay, कि क्या changes हो रही है हमारी बॉडी में, वो अपनी बॉडी की तरफ ज्यादा कॉन्शियस भी हो जाते हैं. ओके, वी हैव टू बी टेक केयर ऑफ दैट वन ऑल्सो. तो दीज आर द चेंजेस विच इज एवरीवन हैव टू बी फेस. सो नथिंग इज द स्पेशल इज देयर. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज इंक्रीजिंग द स्वेटिंग ग्लैंड्स. द नेक्स्ट चेंज, or you can also say that is the increase the activity of the sweat and the oil gland. Increase in activity of sweat and oil gland. Means there is the, you can say the oil gland is increases, then automatically what happen, they can be release a liquid. एक liquid सा release करते हैं, oily liquid, that is called the sebum. Okay, which can be released maybe in our body face. अगर face में वो ज्यादा दिखता है, ठीक है, oily face जिसे बोलते हैं. So due to if there is a increase in the excessive amount, अगर ये sebum which is a liquid that can be increased in the form of the oil, that can make our outer layer protective. वो किसी dirt से हमारी outer layer में एक layer सी बना देती है skin के layer में. So that become a protected. Pores are increases. Okay. Whenever these oil gland release the oil, there is a sticky substances there which is released in the pores, and the sweat gland is also be sweating ज्यादा होती है as compared to our childhood. Childhood के comparison में sweating भी ज्यादा होती है because the sweat gland also be become activate. Now it become activate. Okay, so it is a good thing even because whenever sweat is, that is sweating is there, the you can say there is a excretory substance or the waste substance that is come out throughout body. हमारी body से वो बाहर आते हैं. And oil glands that provide the protective layer to our outer layer के बाहर जो एक protective layer, waterproof layer you can see, that provide a waterproof layer. So any substance or the anything that cannot be enter inside our body through the pores of the skin. हाँ, if it is in the excessive amount, अगर ये sebum और the oil gland जो oil है excessive amount में release करते हैं, then what happen? The pores that is closed, the dirt जो है वो बाहर नहीं आ पाती है, and it is the cause of the pimple. Pimple or the acne. Faces पे it is not be have to agree at this stage. ये puberty stage पे ही होता है कि फेस में पिंपल आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. बट दैट इज इफ देयर इज एन एक्सेसिव अमाउंट ऑफ द ऑयल ग्लैंड जो होते हैं वो ज्यादा अमाउंट में ऑयल रिलीज कर देते हैं या सीबम रिलीज करते हैं, तो देयर इज अ कॉज ऑफ, तब उसका इफेक्ट होता है कि पिंपल्स जो है या एंड जो है वो हमारे फेसेस पे नजर आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. सो ड्यू टू व्हाट वी हैव टू बी डू at this age, at this teenager age, what we have to do, we have to be more protective or more have to concentrate to our balanced diet. We have to be we have to be take the nutritional diet at this age. Now the next one is, the next changes is that is the development of the sex organ. The next one is development of sex organ. What is the changes? At that time we have studied about the glands, that is about the testes and the ovaries. They are now become fully mature. Okay, so testes, they release a gonad or the cells which is called the sperm. On the other hand, ovaries that can to become a father and mother. So it means the sex organ is completely mature and they release a gonad. Gonad is a cell. That is a cell. So the testes release the sperm and the ovaries, they release the ovum. The last one, that is, which one is, that is the reaching the intelligence and the emotional changes, or you can say there is also a development of the intelligence and the emotional maturity. The last one is development of emotional maturity. What happens now? You become you can take a decision by your own. Independently आप कोई भी decision ले सकते हो. Now you are mature to that thing. आपको किसी और के ऊपर depend नहीं होना है. So that's why there is an argument with the parents also. नहीं मम्मा को बोल दो कि नहीं मैंने ये नहीं करना, मुझे यही करना. Father को भी बोल दो कि there is an argument with the parents also. Because now there is a changes. You can be take the decision. आप अपने लिए खुद decision लेना शुरू करते हो. So that is also be the part of the puberty. So these are the different changes which is you can be seen at the time of the puberty. In the next in the next lecture we will study about the secondary characteristics at the puberty stage. So तब तक के लिए ये चीजें समझिए और चैप्टर रीड करिए. Thank you. Have a nice day. नमस्ते.